On behalf of the Society, I stand before you, Your Excellency, today at a historic moment as we mark almost 70 years since Nigeria's first commercial oil discovery in Oloibiri in the present-day Bayelsa State, an event that birthed our nation's energy industry and forever linked river states to the Nigeria's economic destiny. It is therefore with great pride and sense of purpose that we present our proposal to formally designate Port Harcourt as Nigeria's premier energy city, a timely initiative that will both honor our past and secure our energy future. The Society of Energy Editors deals with media coverage of the energy industry, which requires in-depth knowledge of its operation, government policies, enabling laws, regulatory framework, international oil exploration, production, and trading activities, the guiding reporting energy companies trading on the stock market, reporting environmental issues, especially as it affects our host communities. Membership of the Society, Your Excellency, have combined work experience in excess of 450 years. Membership is limited to individuals who have a distinguished career in media coverage of the energy sector for a minimum of 20 years. And these members are spread across the USA, the UK, the Ireland, South Africa, Congo DR, and Nigeria. We have a proven track record, Your Excellency, of reporting, editing, and producing content related to energy, including but not limited to oil and gas, renewable energy, energy policy, and energy market trends. Considering our years of experience, Your Excellency, providing media coverage of this captive industry, may we state with all the emphasis we can muster that is no group better qualified to so design Port Harcourt as Nigeria's premier energy city. Your Excellency, the legacy of Port Harcourt meeting what we have proposed or what we are pursuing is that Port Harcourt is hosting 7 decades after those oils were discovered, the operational headquarters for major IOCs and the LNG is located in Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt is home to the Indorama-operated electrochemical refinery. Port Harcourt is home to 2 NNPC-operated petroleum refineries. Port Harcourt is home to 4 power generating plants. Port Harcourt is gateway for Nigerian energy exports. Yet we gather at a pivotal junction as global energy transition accelerates. Membership in the World Energy City Partnership represents more than prestige. It is Port Harcourt's gateway to Houston's cutting-edge energy technology, Aberdeen's renewable energy transition expertise, Cape Town's Africa energy innovation ecosystem. Your Excellency, this is not just about reclaiming our seat at the table. It is about ensuring Port Harcourt leads African energy future as boldly as it pioneered our past. Your Excellency, the stars have aligned for this initiative. 1. 17th anniversary. The designation will coincide with almost 7 decades of Nigerian oil industry. 2. Energy transition. As the world shifts, Port Harcourt must transit from energy cradle to energy leader. And 3. New leadership. Your administration vision provides the perfect platform for this instance. The Society of Energy Editors proposed immediate action, Your Excellency, that August 2025 official designation ceremony in Port Harcourt, that third quarter 2025 submission of World Energy Council Partnership Reinstatement Application, that fourth quarter 2025 hosting of inaugural Port Harcourt Energy Summit to cement the status. Your Excellency, to realize this vision, the Society pledges to 1. Mobilize our media affiliates to rebrand Port Harcourt's narrative. 2. Personally advocate at World Energy Council Partnership Headquarters in Houston, USA. Develop an annual State of Energy reporting highlighting Rivers' achievement. We respectively request Your Excellency support to 1. Provide logistics for the hosting of the official designation ceremony in Port Harcourt. 2. As a matter of urgency, Your Excellency, approve the World Energy Council Partnership Membership Restatement process. 3. Host an annual International Energy Summit in Port Harcourt. Your Excellency, almost 70 years ago, history was made in these Niger Delta lands. Today, we stand ready to make history again, not just as Nigeria's energy past, but African energy future. The Society of Energy Editors is honored to partner with you on these transformative journeys. Together, let us ensure the next 70 years begin with Port Harcourt taking its rightful place among the world's great energy cities. And of course, Your Excellency, you know that this is also launching Nigeria more into the international community. Thank you for granting all this audience, Your Excellency.
I'm really delighted to formally welcome you here. That's the Executive Secretary of the Society of Energy Editors and your distinguished team to the Government House this morning. I think Port Harcourt is known as the heart and lifeblood of Nigerian energy sector. And so your visit today is much more than a courtesy call. It is a strategic engagement that aligns with our shared vision to reclaim, reposition, and revitalize Rivers State as the undisputed energy hub of Africa. I've carefully noted the remarks, and I wish to commend the Society of Energy Editors for your bold and visionary proposal. First, to formally designate Port Harcourt as Nigeria's premier energy city, and to pursue the reinstatement of Port Harcourt's membership in the World Energy Cities Partnership. This initiative aligns perfectly with our administration's commitment to rebrand Rivers State, elevate Port Harcourt as an international energy hub, and unlock new frontiers for global investment, knowledge exchange, and socio-economic transformation. Port Harcourt is more than just a city in the birthplace and heartbeat of Nigeria's oil and gas industry. Its legacy and strategic relevance are defined by historical significance, like you rightly mentioned, industrial capacity, strategic location, as well as the human capital and expertise. You had hinted here, home to first oil discovery when Oloibiri and its site were under Rivers State, the first refinery and the cradle of nations hydrocarbon revolution, host to two major oil refineries, petrochemical plants, oil service bases, and extensive pipelines and storage infrastructure, a gateway to the Gulf of Guinea and Niger Delta offshore assets, providing access to export terminals, shipping, and logistics operations vital to Nigeria's global energy footprint. And of course, a center for technical skills, research, and energy-focused educational institutions that have supported Nigeria's energy growth for over 6 decades. And so, that calls for Port Harcourt being reinstated in the World Energy Cities Partnership, which of course, you rightly mentioned, consists of 19 leading energy cities, including Houston, Aberdeen, Calgary, Doha, and Perth. Of course, rejoining this exclusive network will celebrate our legacy by formally recognizing Port Harcourt's irreplaceable contributions to Nigeria's and Africa's energy history, and further change the narratives, project Port Harcourt as a city of stability, innovation, and opportunity, and thus countering past negative perceptions. And it will further open global doors by enabling strategic partnerships and attract foreign direct investment through collaboration with other leading energy cities, as well as drive economic growth by boosting energy-focused tourism, enhance trade, and create jobs across the local economy through renewed international visibility. So I wish to assure your society that Rivers State government is fully committed to supporting this historic initiative. Specifically, we will support the official designation ceremony of Port Harcourt as Nigeria's premier energy city with all necessary government assistance as may be required. We will collaborate with your society to fast track readmission into the World Energy Cities Partnership, leveraging your networks and media influence to amplify our story. We will facilitate strategic stakeholders' engagements, including with private sector and federal agencies, to ensure the economic benefits of this recognition are maximized. And we will provide an enabling environment for investment and innovation in alignment with His Excellency President Malam Yakubu Tinubu's renewed hope agenda and our vision for sustainable energy growth. And so, to your society, I say let us make history together. Your platforms are critical in shaping the global perception of Port Harcourt as a city of resilience, innovation, and boundless potential. To our private sector partners, I extend an open invitation to invest in a city ready to lead Africa's energy future. And to the people of Rivers State, this recognition is our victory, a testament to our resilience and a promise to greater opportunities for all. In conclusion, I want to thank the Society of Energy Editors for your vision and partnership. Together, we will ensure that Port Harcourt not only regains its rightful place among the world's energy cities, but shines as Africa's premier energy capital. Thank you once again.
May we